Introduction. The roof forms a part of the structure of a property. When it is not taken good care of, it will deteriorate and fail. Roof repairs will be needed when maintenance on a roof is neglected and will cause huge financial expense. You might not be in the position to do so. Problem. The weakening of the roof structure is compromising the roof. Tiles separate, openings between them started to show, and with rainwater entering the roof it causes unnecessary damage. Possible outcome. As soon as water enters the roof structure, roof timber will rot and the forming of mold will be seen. This will lead to having to replace the roof later. Living in the vicinity of mold has medical consequences and occupants will fall ill. Both scenarios are costly to rectify. Work commenced. The roof surface must be cleaned. Removing all dust and debris with a high-pressure hose. Get to the defective roof structure by removing the roof tiles. Battens and truss timber need to be replaced and strengthened. Put the Harvey tiles back onto the roof. Ridges, valleys, plumbers' vents and where each tile joints must be waterproof. Finish the job by painting the roof with UV-resistant paint. Outcome. Much needed roof repairs and waterproofing was completed and the property is well protected against the weather. The occupant can feel safe and enjoy the property. Contact us if you also need any roof repair, waterproofing or painting of your property. Call 07327088270.